In this video, you will be going over the assembly and the setup of the Kyota Yosei M868 massage chair. When your order arrives, it should come in 3 boxes. The largest box will contain the main body of the massage chair, the middle-sized box contains the arms, and the last small box holds the footrest. Open up all 3 of the boxes and make sure that everything is undamaged from shipping. Starting from the largest of the 3 boxes, at the end of the foam padding you will see a box. Inside it contains the shoulder sections of the chair. Underneath that box, inside the foam padding, is another smaller box. This is the accessory box. Remove this and set aside for now, as we will return to this later. Remove the outer shell and the foam padding. Once the foam padding is removed, you can remove the chair from the tray. Now let's move on to the middle-sized box. This box contains the arms of the chair. Once you have everything unboxed, the only tool required for the assembly is a screwdriver, which comes included with the chair along with all the required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, the first step is attaching the shoulder sections. Resting the shoulder pad on the chair and using your body for support, take the plug from the shoulder piece with the clip side facing up and connect it to the plug located on the body of the chair until you hear a snap. After connecting the plug, slide the shoulder piece onto the 2 bars of the chair, ensuring that the leather of the chair is pulled back. The shoulder piece requires 3 of the screws provided with the chair, 2 of the small screws, and 1 of the long screws with the washer. Tighten the long screw into the top hole and the 2 small screws into the 2 bottom holes of the outside of the chair. Once the shoulder piece is attached to the body of the chair, take the plastic cover piece and slide it over the opening underneath the speaker in the shoulder panel. Repeat this process on the other side of the chair. In step 2, you will install the arm sections of the chair. Similar to the shoulder sections, rest the arm on the edge of the chair and use your body to support while you locate and connect the 3 arm section plugs. Slide the arm piece into place, making sure the section with the plugs is lined up with the back and the front is properly lined up with the front of the chair. Then, using the longest screw and washer, screw the arm section into place with the hole on the outside of the chair. Next, attach the gray cap that came in the bag of parts. Each cap is labeled according to its respective side of the chair. With the arrow facing up, place it in the hole on the outside of the chair and twist until it snaps. Finally, screw 1 last small screw in the inside of the hip section underneath the hip airbag, where you will find a square cutout with a screw hole. Repeat this process on the other side of the chair. Before moving on to step 3, in the footrest installation, you'll need to bring the chair into the upright position. First, plug in the remote by locating the cable next to the right hip airbag. Line up the divot on the cord with the divot on the remote cord, connect the screw, and tighten. Next, plug the power cord into the bottom right side of the chair and flip the power switch on. Then bring the chair into an upright position by pressing the red power button once to turn the remote on, then once more to bring the chair to a resting position. Once the chair is upright, slide the cylinder covers provided with the chair parts on the footrest axles. Connect the power cord, ensuring the clip side is facing up until you hear a clip sound, then slide on the air hose. Pick up the footrest and place it onto the bottom housing of the chair. Make sure the side pieces have fallen properly into place. Next, flip over the metal tabs on both sides and screw them into place. Lastly, take the seat flap in the bottom of the seat cushion and zip them together. You have now completed the assembly of your new Kyota Yosei M868 massage chair. In order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the extension program. Check that all the airbags are fully inflated and confirm that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to enjoy.